Compact sedans may not dominate headlines the way SUVs do, but models like the 2027 Kia K4 prove that this segment is still evolving with fresh design and modern technology. Introduced as the successor to the long-running Forte lineup, the K4 represents Kia's new direction for compact cars, combining bold styling, digital-focused interiors, and more efficient powertrains. In this video, we'll take a quick look at what the 2027 Kia K4 offers, including its exterior design, interior technology, engine options, pricing expectations, and safety features. And if you enjoy simple, informative breakdowns of new cars and future models, don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Autos for more automotive updates and insights. The 2027 Kia K4 continues the brand's modern design language with a fastback-inspired silhouette, sharp character lines, and a distinctive front fascia that gives the compact sedan a sportier and more upscale appearance than many competitors in its class. Up front, slim LED headlights and a wide grille create a bold presence, while the rear design features a sleek light bar that stretches across the trunk for a futuristic touch. Inside the cabin, the K4 focuses heavily on digital technology, with a wide integrated display setup that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment screen, along with wireless smartphone connectivity, ambient lighting, and upgraded materials in higher trims to give the interior a more premium feel. Under the hood, the 2027 Kia K4 is expected to continue offering efficient yet responsive engine options designed for everyday driving, including a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 147 horsepower, and an available 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivering about 190 horsepower for drivers who want stronger acceleration. These engines are typically paired with either a continuously variable transmission for smooth efficiency or an 8-speed automatic transmission in turbocharged versions, helping balance fuel economy with responsive performance for city commuting and highway travel. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Kia K4 is expected to remain positioned as an affordable compact sedan, with entry-level trims likely starting at around $23,000, while better-equipped versions with upgraded technology, premium interior materials, and the turbocharged engine could reach the $28,000 to $30,000 range, depending on options and trim levels, placing it competitively against other compact sedans such as the Honda Civic and the Toyota Corolla. Safety continues to be a key focus for the K4, and the 2027 model is expected to include a wide range of driver assistance technologies through Kia's Advanced Safety Suite, offering features such as forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to help drivers stay aware of their surroundings and reduce the risk of accidents, making the K4 a practical choice for daily commuting and long-distance driving alike. The 2027 Kia K4 shows how compact sedans can still deliver modern styling, strong technology features, and efficient performance without sacrificing affordability. With its bold exterior design, digital-focused interior, and practical engine options, the K4 continues to build on Kia's reputation for offering value-packed vehicles in competitive segments. If you enjoyed this quick overview of the 2027 Kia K4, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Autos for more reviews, updates, and insights on the newest cars and future models coming to the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.